It's your man B Fox, and it's time once again for another episode of Snack Attack. I have right here a little black bird, but he is no ordinary black bird. He is a bird constructed of some kind of attack. That right there, my friends, was the blackbird attack. Blackbirds always seem a little more hardcore than the regular birds, so if you see a blackbird out there in the wilderness, you might want to run in the opposite direction, man, because their attack can be vicious. Yes, yes. Snack attack time once again. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, add me on all pertinent social platforms, video watching sites, and all that jazz. All that information can be found in the comment section / description section below. It's the description section. I don't know why I said comment section. It is what it is. Let us see what we have on the snack attack flipper today, shall we? We have a ring pop, but not any ordinary ring pop. Yes, yes, this is one of the freeze variety of ring pop lore. It is actually the Berry Punch Blizzard ring pop freeze edition. Now, after doing a little research on the snack subject, I noticed that there is a 4-pack of these you can get, and this happens to be one of the flavors, so I will definitely leave a link in the description. Well, actually, the link will be on the Fochshole's website, along with the nutrition facts and ingredients. So if you want to get these things, you're going to have to check out my blog, The Fochshole. Without further ado, let's open this thing up and see what the snack stench presents us. Come on. No. Wong, 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 wong. Feel like I have one of those Thanos type power stones in my possession. Now, ring pops are definitely a classic candy. I used to eat them a lot when I was younger. I haven't had a ring pop maybe in my whole adult life, and I'm 34 years old at the moment, so it's been a minute. I've been told that these have a more seductive punch than the regular ones due to their freeze genre nature. Shall we see what it smells like first? It really doesn't smell like anything important, just kinda neutral, but I imagine all the odors inside of here once you get to licking. Now, this is obviously a ring designed for a little person because I cannot get this all the way on my finger. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on my pinky like a pimp. Quite tasty indeed. Berry flavoring, very relevant in this one. That is the strongest taste that I tasted, if that makes sense to you all. Just the right amount of flavoring. It doesn't really attack your taste buds, but it doesn't necessarily want your taste buds yearning for more, which is a positive in my opinion. Sometimes candy is too sweet and kind of give you the old face. Sometimes the face is appropriate, but 9 times out of 10, you just want to catch those candy vibes and keep it moving, man. Keep it moving. I'm willing to bet that these other flavors of the ring pop freeze genre are respectable. Might have to get me a 4-pack bag and try the other ones out to see who reigns supreme. Ooh ha ha ha. Ooh ha ha ha. Shout out to my man King Miles for this groovy shirt. Who is King Miles, you ask? a very dope MC from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, who I will be doing a music editorial feature on the Fochshole website in the near future. So check out the website for that. Also, don't forget, there's a link in the description to add yourself to the official The Fochshole email list. Yeah. As that grows, things will get groovier, and we're just going to keep it groovy, man, because that's all I know how to do. You dig? Time for the question of the video. This is a ring. If you had an opportunity to acquire any ring, fake or real, fake being something from a movie, real being a 20-karat diamond ring. I don't know if such a thing exists. It doesn't matter because this is a hypothetical question. If you could get any ring, what ring would it be and why? Let me know in the comment section below, please. For me, I would get a super bossed out box ring with all kinds of diamonds and stuff. And the eyeballs would be made of black diamonds, because black is my favorite color. Yes. That's all I got today, man. As always, gracias, adios, and remember to listen, laugh, eat, enjoy, and repeat. The Fochshole.